Hey, fourth grade, happy Monday. All righty, keeping going with, no, it's not Monday. Oh my gosh, it's Tuesday. I don't even know what day it is. Yesterday we had our mid-chapter. Tuesday, we have a new lesson today. So 12.6, and now we're gonna start getting into the metric units of measurement, which is where they use pretty much everywhere else except here. All right, so we're talking about metric units of length today. We're gonna be talking about how we measure how long things are in metric. All right, so again, make sure that you either pause this or so you can write a picture or take a picture of it or write it down so you can have it with you as a reference tool. All right, so we've got 1 centimeter, which we can abbreviate as cm, equals 10 millimeters or mn. 1 decimeter or dm equals 10 centimeters. 1 meter, m, equals 10 decimeters. 1 meter also equals 100 centimeters, and 1 meter equals 1,000 millimeters as well. Now, the good thing about metric units of measurement is that they go by powers of 10. So there's not anything weird to remember like, oh, it's 8 of this, but 4 of this, or 16 of this. It's powers of 10. So it's either going to be 1, 10, 100, 1,000, going up from there, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and get started in looking at this. Number 1, we've got 2 meters equals how many centimeters? Now the conversions are going to be the same thing. We're going to look at our conversion chart and we're going to multiply to find how many there are. So if we look for 2 meters equals how many centimeters? So I'm going to go up here to my conversion chart and figure out which one converts meters to centimeters. So we've got meter to decimeters, meter to centimeters. So we're going to be using this one right here. And it says that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Okay. So what we're going to be doing is taking how many meters they gave us and multiplying that by the 100. Because if we look at it like this, we've got 1 meter, 2 meters, and there's 100 centimeters in each. Okay. So we can do 100 plus 100 or 2 times 100, which equals 200. Very good. So 2 meters is equal to 200 centimeters. All righty, let's look at number 2. We've got 3 centimeters and they want to know how many millimeters that is. So I'm going to look here and I'm going to look at my conversion chart for which one changes centimeters to millimeters. Okay, so if I go up here, I see that 1 centimeter, I'm going to shorten it, is equal to 10 millimeters. So for every 1 centimeter, there are 10 millimeters. So if I've got 3 of those, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and each one of those has 10 millimeters, well, I can add up 10 plus 10 plus 10, or I can just say 3 times 10, which equals 10, 20, 30. So 3 centimeters is equivalent to 30 millimeters. All righty, let's look down here at numbers 3 and 4. We've got 5 decimeters is equal to how many centimeters? So if I look up here, I'm going to find the conversion that changes decimeters to centimeters. All right, so I see that 1 decimeter is equivalent to 10 centimeters. So for every 1 decimeter, there's going to be 10 centimeters. So if I have 5 decimeters and I multiply that by 10 centimeters in each one, 5 times 10 is equal to 50. Very good. So 5 decimeters is the same thing as 50 centimeters. All righty, one more. Let's look at it. We are changing meters to decimeters. It says 10 meters equals how many decimeters? All right, so if I look up here and find my meter to decimeters, I see, hold on just a second. Sorry about that, boys and girls. I had to pause the recording for just a second because Mr. Posey came on and made an announcement for us teachers. All right, back to this. Meters to decimeters. I see that 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeters. Okay, so for every 1 meter, there's going to be 10 decimeters. So if I've got 10 meters times 10 decimeters in each meter, what is 10 times 10, boys and girls? Very good. 100 is correct. So 10 meters is the same thing as 100 decimeters. All righty, guys, that is it for today. We are going to have a new lesson tomorrow. I know it's Wednesday and we usually do review days, but tomorrow we are going to have a new lesson. So make sure that you are paying attention to that tomorrow. Make sure you are using your conversions from this lesson to help you with your assignment today as well. Have a great afternoon and I will see you tomorrow.